Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome all to my channel. Today we are going to see where we can study law. What are the courses available for law, and which college we can choose, and what are the scope for the law students, what are the other PG courses they can study, what are the opportunities available to the law students, or all let us see in this video. Studying law is not only helpful to the lawyers, but it will help to each and every administrative authorities, business people, company people, staffs, or whoever are in service or in politics. Most of the politicians studies law because once they know law, they can easily handle the situation. If you see our great political leader, including Gandhi, Jinnah, then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, L.K. Advani, even the last previous president of US, I don't know his name, is also are all advocates. So once they learn a law, once they know law, it will give them very wide scope and very wide understanding, and they can easily handle every situation. Even if you want to become a businessman, you will have to comply all statutory norms, rules, and regulations. If you are administrator or doing a company, running a company, you will have to know various laws, company law, income tax law, GST, and each and everything you have to comply the legal requirements. So once you study law, you will be able to know what is the legal requirement, what are the things you have to do, we can also know the do's and don'ts. So if you know the permissible things, then you can do the permissible thing. If you know what are the things which is restricted, prohibited, punishable, then you can be very careful in not doing all those things. So in that way, it will be helpful to you, to all the persons, not only to the advocates. It will help all the individuals. And it will also equip your personality, development, everything when you study law. So as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, there are two types of courses all available: 3 years course and 5 years course. As far as the 5 years course is concerned, once you study complete your plus 2, then you will have to go for a 5 years course. They will be giving BA, BA LLB or BA BL, BCom BL, BCA BL, like that. There are several courses are available in Tamil Nadu. Private government colleges is there, and government aided colleges is there, and private colleges was also there in Tamil Nadu. In my opinion, if you go to a private college, they are charging exorbitant fees. I came to understand that on some of the private colleges are charging 2,75,000 per year, 1.5 lakhs, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, like that they are charging. And as far as the government college fees is concerned, if you go for a business law school of excellence, which is in Chennai near Gindi, it is called a Central CPT. It is near in I think Thoraipakkam, it seems, near Perungudi relation. There you have to pay around 75,000 rupees per year as an rupees. There are also colleges, in government colleges, with the well-trained course in Tanjavur, Shasta College, and Trichy, near one Koil, not temple, Sattam. There is also there. In addition to that, if you go for a government course where selection is conducted by Tamil Nadu, the Dr. Ambedkar University, Law University, once you get a seat, they will allot your course in various government colleges in and around Tamil Nadu, which are there in Chennai, Chengalpattu, Tirunelveli, Coimbatore, Trichy, Madurai, where the fees is very nominal. I think around 2,500 they are charging for 1 year. So as far as I am concerned, I am of the opinion that you can just go to this government college. That itself is sufficient to equip your knowledge. Just because you are going to a private college and paying high fees, you will not get anything more than that that is available in the government colleges. So if once you go to when you go to private college, you will have big contacts with the big people, big shots, big business people, judges' sons, and they will be coming there by paying good, very big amount. But you can get that contact. But if you are a middle class people, or if you are below the poverty line, it is always better to go to government colleges, because you need not spend that much of money. It is not a value for money. That fees is not value for the course. So once you go for a law, you will have a lot of time and you can make use of that time. My advice is that it is better to join a lawyer, and you can do the part-time job with any lawyer's office, so that you can get a training. Once you study complete law, and if you go and enter the court, you may not be in a position to handle the case immediately after your completion of your course. You will have to learn a lot of things in the court's rules or regulation practice. So you will have to move with the advocate clerk. So now you will have to, once you complete the law, then you will have to do only the advocate clerk's job for about 3 years. Then only you will be able to know what is the procedure, what are the rules and regulations, what are the practical things. Then only you will be in a position to handle the cases. So if you, instead of going to the lawyer's office after the 5 years, it is always better you can join as a part-time law student and the advocate office, and you can do the clerical job, and you can get a nominal stipend, through which you can learn law and you can get an experience. And if you get an experience during this course of study itself, that will also help you once you once you complete the course. You can directly handle the cases as an advocate immediately after your completion of course. Most of the students do not take this opportunity, because you do not go to normally the law colleges are conducting classes only either in the morning or in the evening. So if you have the class in the morning, you will have a lot of time in the evening, or in the evening, night also most of the advocate offices are functioning. That time also you can go and get some experience, knowledge that will help you in future to develop your personality or your career. In addition to that, if you are not interested to become an advocate, and therefore you wanted to get a job in company, or you wanted to equip yourself, you can do some parallel course. Parallel courses, there are a lot of courses like CA, CMA, and CS, company secretary, chartered accountant, chartered management accountant. Like there are 3 courses are there. For this CA, CS or CMA, there is no college education. So there are some private institutions are there. There you have to go for 1 hour, 2 hours classes only for a limited period, and you can directly write the examination. Once you do all the once you do this BL and the CS or CMA, you will be in a comfortable position to handle the law papers, so that you can easily complete both courses simultaneously, so that you can get dual degrees like BLCS or BLCMA or CSCA. So most of the persons who wanted to shine in the tax field, they are doing both BL as well as CMA or CA. Previously it was called ICWA. Those who wanted to become a company, going to go to company said they are trying to do CS, company secretaryship. So there you will have to learn the law, company law in deep. So when you study the law and the company law, you will be in a better position to handle the company, and you can do better services to your company when you become a company secretary. So in addition to that, once you complete this BL, then there are a lot of opportunities to become an advocate, or to become a judge, or to become to go for any company as a law officer. There are in every bank there will be a legal department. There they are recruiting the peoples for legal manager, legal experts like that. In addition to that, in even every company we have a legal advisor job is there. In addition to that, you can also go for a ML. That if you are interested for a teaching line, then you can go for a LLB, or ML or PhD like that. Then that will help you to become a professor or a principal like that. You can develop your career. My advice is that it is always better to choose advocacy field at least for 1 or 3 years, so that you will have the thorough knowledge in the court proceedings, etc. Then if you go shifted to any business or administration or company, then you will be in a comfortable position by knowing not only the law but also the practical experience, by knowing various courts procedures, practical tips also will be helpful to you in dealing your day-to-day legal matters, litigations, problems, etc. If you want to become a judge, most of the ladies prefer to become a judge because it is a comfortable job to them. So those who wanted to become a judge, they will have to write examination, judicial examination. Then once if you are successful in the judicial examination, then they are conducting interview, and there are specific reservation to the ladies. So the ladies will get more opportunities to become a judge and do their career in the court. So I hope this video will be useful to all the persons who wanted to become a law, and who wanted to educate your sons or daughters in the field of law. So please give, if you can share your comment about this video. That will also helpful to me to rectify, develop my future videos. If you want to see my videos regularly, you can watch. You can just type Razak Sattam Arivam to watch my Tamil channels. Razak Law Tube is an English channel. There are a lot of videos, a lot of topics, lot of playlists from which you can clarify all your doubts. In addition to that, if you have any specific doubt, you may also contact me. If the time so permits, I will clarify your doubts, or give you a necessary legal advice to solve your problems. I thank you for watching this video. I will come again with another topic. Until then, goodbye. Razak Ali.